Welcome to Food Talk with Sherin. It's another puff pastry recipe today. So we are making some Chatpata puff pastry straws. This is another snack that you can prepare during the summertime for your kids to have during the day. And these are super simple to make as well. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications. For making these puff pastry straws, let's first mix up some masalas. So into a bowl, add some chili powder, chaat masala, amchur powder, salt and garam masala powder. Mix this properly. Now unroll your puff pastry sheet and spread the prepared masala onto half of the sheet. Fold the other half over it and press the edges gently. Now cut into strips and then twist a few times like this. Transfer this to a lined baking tray. Now if you wish, you can apply some beaten egg or some milk on top of the puff pastries, so that just gives it a better golden color. These puff pastries have to be baked at 210 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes till they are a nice golden brown color. So wasn't that a really easy recipe that you can try out? So I hope you try this and enjoy it.